seams, what I've done is I used super strong fiber fuse. That's what I taped all of the seams with. Now I'm doing this edge and it's buttoned up to this wood. Now, I've got a video that's pretty old where I'm taping the stair back out in 5-minute mud and things like that. So, and everybody was complaining, oh, you didn't mask off the wood, you didn't mask off the wood. There's two reasons I will mask off this wood, right? One is if it's finished. If this is all finished and painted and done, I will mask it off because I don't want my mud on there. Another reason I would mask it off is if it was stained and sealed. Not if it's just stained. If it's stained, I won't touch it. I want it sealed first because I can ruin the staining of this just by accident. Just an accident can ruin the staining. So if this is just stained, I won't touch it. But this is all painted. These are going to be stained. All of the steps are going to be stained, but this is not. This is all going to be painted, so I don't need to mask this off. Anything that I have on here, I can take off with my sanding sponge when I go to do my final detail. It's not going to hurt this at all. You'll prime it, you'll paint it, you'll never even know I was there. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to tape this with. For years and years and years, this is what we've had. We've had called Tare bead. So you put it up here, you finish it. I mean, I have to cut this at an angle. You either spray glue this on or you staple it on or both. A lot of times I do both. I'll spray glue it and I'll staple it. Sometimes I will not spray glue. If I'm going against a vinyl window that's expanding and contracting with the heat and the coldness of the day and the night, I won't spray glue this. I will only staple this. That way it can move a little bit and not crack. If I spray glue it, it's put on too tight and it'll crack on you. Trust me, I've done it. I know what I'm talking about with this one. Lo and behold, Straight Flex edge tape has come out now, okay? They gave me a sample of this and I've used it a few times, and that's why I'm doing a video on this, because this stuff is good. If you look at it closely, it's really thick on this side. It's thin on this side. I am going to put this in here. I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to mud this up. I'm going to stick this in here tight. So let me do that, okay? What's really nice about this stuff is I only have to finish the edge. I don't have to put mud right up to here. I don't have to. You can paint this. It's going to be just fine. Absolutely just fine. I need tin snips, right? I don't need tin snips with this. I need spray glue and staples. I don't need spray glue and staples with this. Only drywall mud. That's all I need. So easier to put in, simpler to finish. I'll be right back.
Okay, hey, I'm back. I've got all of that edge tape in place right now, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to coat this stuff. Let me grab my pen too. I'm sorry I don't have my plug for my phone. That's why I'm almost out of battery life. But I want to show you how easy it is to do this. First of all, I need to coat this up here a little bit first. So, you know, I know some guys, they use these, other guys just take a 6-inch knife when they cut an angle. You know, they make those knives now, those 6-inch knives that are actually cut at an angle like this. But hey, when I started taping, they didn't make it. We made our own. We actually made our own knives. Now you can buy them. But watch how easy this is. Compared to that tearaway bead, this is all I have to do. That's it. That's all I have to do. I'm going to have to do it twice, okay? But that's really all I have to do, is that right there. And simple. That is so simple. You know, they're making these materials now and they're making these products. Anybody can tape today. Anybody can tape. You know, I think about when I used to first tape, we didn't have level line. We didn't have no coat products. All off angles, everything was done with tape, paper tape. We just had to use paper tape for everything. Today, with all of the different products that you have, oh my gosh, they made it so simple and so easy. It's very nice. Taping can be done so much quicker. So much quicker. And the quality is so much better, and it holds up so much better too. It's really, really a pleasure to do drywall today compared to the way it used to be 40 years ago. 40 years ago, it was a lot of work. You know, today with the +3s and the all-purposes that they have today, 2 coats is just as good as 3. It's so much nicer. Okay, well there you have it. I'm going to show you the rest of the stairwell that I have to do here. Hopefully you can see it, all right? So all I have to do is just strip that angle. That's all I have to do. And could you imagine if this was tearaway bead, how much mud I would have used? Trust me, the amount of mud that I put in my pan would have no way been enough to do that. So you guys, I'm gonna give you show you the box again. So they didn't pay me to do this. Nobody has paid me to do this. I just started using this product. I've only used it a few times. And man, that's simple. That's so easy. You guys, have a good day.
Just a little side note, if the stair back looks familiar, it's because I was testing a laser level in this basement with the cord just to check everything out. And believe it or not, this is a really low spot in the ceiling. There's a pipe coming through here, but we were able to detect that with the laser level, and we were able to shim it out. Now, the ceiling still does this, but it's blended in really well. But I want to show you something else, what they did. So the carpenter, he shot this corner bead here all the way up and down with the laser level. And I'm telling you guys, both sides of the soffit, the framing was atrocious. It was old framing and it was atrocious. It really was. But they straightened this thing out. And this corner bead went on beautifully. And this angle, this corner bead is so straight and beautiful, both sides, because of that laser level. It really is really good for a lot of different things. Great for this. You guys have a good day.
Hey, if you really like my videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like them, please just share them with somebody else. How do you like my new t-shirts? And you know, you also might want to check out these other videos that are playing right down here right now. So just click on them. All right, subscribe. Have a great day.